Hey everyone, it's summertime. You know what that means, vacations. Flying is already a stressful ordeal, but when you compound being a vapor on top of that, packing all your vaping essentials, it just gets out of hand. So we're here to take the guesswork out of it and show you step by step what to do to ensure that your travel is as smooth as possible. Now we can't help you out with screaming babies, earplugs, or a snoring seatmate, also earplugs. But we can help you navigate through the TSA and make sure that you and your gear arrive safely. First, you need to understand the rules for e-cigarettes and flying. At no time should you have your batteries in your device or in your checked bag. What you want to do is keep them in a battery case in your carry-on luggage. You can, however, put any of your extra liquids into your checked luggage. Just make sure that you seal it in a bag or a box or something like that to avoid any spillage when they toss your bags around. Come on, you know they're going to toss your bags around before you claim them again, right? Next, make sure your tank is completely empty. Cabin pressure causes leaks from your tank, so it's best to start out with nothing in it. Also, try using a vape pen to keep your tank safe while you're traveling. You never know what could happen in those overhead bins. Finally, because we know you're going to want to vape as soon as you land, you'll want to have a couple of extra bottles of juice with you in your carry-on. Just remember, any liquids that you carry on the plane with you, they need to be less than 3.5 ounces and stored in a quart-sized Ziploc bag. See? Pretty simple, right? One last piece of advice. Don't try to be the person on the plane that stealth vapes. You can incur some pretty serious fines for that, and you're gonna piss off an airplane full of people when they divert to kick you off the plane. If you're still having doubts, head over to tsa.gov for any additional information or guidelines. Have a safe and wild trip.
Hey guys, it's Emily at VapeWild. Be sure to click our button and subscribe to our channel, or you could watch more videos over here. Right there. Click one. You know you want to. Click it, click it, click it. Click it right now. Right now. Click it. Right now. I don't know what else to do.